mates, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to unbox this Amazon baby welcome box. Those who don't know about this box, I quickly let you know that whenever you expect a child, Amazon give an option to fill all the details like your due date and many more in baby registry. So when you fill all the data, then Amazon send this box to your doorstep with no shipping charges. So this box is absolutely free. And in this box you get some full-size products, some samples for you and your baby. If you want to know more about this box, so I'm going to put all the details in the description box below. Also, if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Gini. I make videos related to hair care, and now these days I'm pregnant. That's why I'm making all the pregnancies related video as well. So if you like these type of content, then please subscribe to my channel. And after subscribing, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification. And if you end up liking this video, don't forget to hit a like button. Now, after talking too much, let's open this box. Alright, so I have my scissor ready. Let me open. Okay. So when you open the box, it looks something like this. So the first you have this Amazon baby registry, how you can do and all the details in this. Now as I open the box, you have all the products in this. So now let me quickly show you all the things. So the first thing, you have some coupon code for your stroller, or if you wanna buy some car seat for baby and something. So yeah. Alright, so the first thing we have for baby's first laundry from the brand Dreft, and this is for newborn. Actually, I have heard so many good things about this brand actually. So I'll definitely try to use this sample, so which is good. Now the next we have breastfeeding guide, and I think they have breast pad, which is actually very important. So let me open. So yeah, in this you have two disposable breast pad from Philips Avent. So Philips is a good company, and so actually I was planning to buy these, so it's good. I have sample now. Next you have breastfeeding guide, so how you can breastfeed, and also very important. Next we have this bottle feed for newborns, and it is from Philips Avent, and actually it's good to have bottles because I'm planning to breastfeed my baby, but when I have to go out, then I can just breast pump my milk in this, and then my husband can feed the baby. So that's why it's good to have the milk bottle. Next we have this Muslin Swaddle, which is breathable super soft cotton blanket, and they have this cute zebra print. And the good thing is they always send you product which is baby neutral. So if you don't know whether you are having girl or boy like me, then it's good to have something like this. So yeah, actually it's good to have Muslin Swaddle, because what I have read that you can't go wrong with the muslin. So yeah, it's good to have as many as you can. Now next we have some product from Aveeno. This is daily moisture lotion actually, and also we have Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo with organic. Actually I am planning to use organic product on my baby's body. I am not at all into chemicals. At least for 2 years I'm not going to use any chemical on my baby's body. So I might not use these, but it's good to have samples. So yeah. Now the next I have this box. Let me open it. Okay, it will take some time. Okay. Oh, it looks something like this. So in this you have this coupon code where you can scan the bar and you will get 20% off, which is good. Also you have, oh my god, you have diapers. How many diapers are there? Size 1 diaper. I think size 1 is for newborn or 0 to 3 months. I'm not sure. But in this you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you have 5 diapers in this, which is very good. And look at the print, like they are so cute. So it's good. Next we have free and clean wipes made for your baby sensitive skin, 0% alcohol, paraben, fragrance free. So it's good to have something like this actually. So yeah, you have 10 wipes in this, so it's good to have. So yeah, that's it in this box. Actually that's it in the Amazon welcome box. So yeah, these are the products which I have received, and I am actually pretty impressed with the Swaddle blanket actually, and also this bottle. It's like full size, obviously they are, and also they have some diapers, which is very good to have. Also some wipes to have. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. And also we have some coupon code which I'm going to use for sure. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions regarding any baby registry or something, then please let me know in our comment section below. And yeah, that's it for the video. Now I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye and enjoy your day.
My head is heavy, let me lay it down. Into your lap I would love to drown. I need that story I used to hear, to run on and to end.